Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Meg in Massachusetts on this Connex CX-36HPF. These are really pretty radios, basically a Connex 3300 with the frequency counter. Start the RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. We got up here about a half a watt. Roll it all the way up, 5 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. That's 17 bird, 50 watt slug in PEP. Audio. 50 watts right on the money. Hey Meg, we're ready to send this to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.